Hi guys, welcome to our channel. And today I am going to show you how to see private account photos on Instagram and is it possible. So first, of course, you just have to launch your Instagram application. And then here, what you want to do is just simply search for that person or account that you wanted to view. So let's just say you're looking for this person and you want to see his or her photos or whatever he or she posted on Instagram. But then again, this person is under private account. So as you can see, if you tap this one here, there are no options. And obviously, you cannot see his or her photos or whatever she posted here on Instagram. So if you go to Google Play Store and then look for an application that can help you watch or view photos on Instagram, then there are, but I strongly suggest that you don't do this thing because this is not safe. So the best way to view this person's photos if he or she is other private account is to simply add this person using other account. So to do that, you need to create a new account. If you don't want to add this person using your main account, you can create a new account by just tapping this log out here or this arrow facing down. Choose a new username or create a new username, tap next, and then create a password. And yes, all you have to do is to sign up or create a new account here on Instagram. So let's just say if this is the new account, what you want to do is to search that person's name again. Okay, and then tap. Now you can follow this person because you're using other account. And once this person accepted your request, and then probably you can see all of the photos, pictures, or videos that this person has posted. So this is the best way to view or see private account or photos on Instagram. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.